Hi everyone, in this video we're starting up for the bookmark view. So first let's open app and controllers, and I think that we have to make a little bit change on our bookmark controllers. And in the params we don't need to require our bookmarks because we use a simple link to send a request to create bookmarks, so we not need to require that bookmark parents. Right, save it. Now let's open view and post, show, and this on bookmark. So let's write div and make an ID because we want this to be unique. So later we'll use Ajax to update this. Post ID to S, and we have class left auto, and inside we have if we have bookmark, else, and link to bookmark path is bookmark method delete. So if this user has already bookmarked this post, so this will be a destroy path. So when you click this button again, so it will delete this bookmark. Right, remove true, so that to make the request able to Ajax class or sprite bookmark high text, and else we display a link to create bookmark. Bookmark this bookmark post bookmarks path post. We stumbling up for the variable type now. I will edit again. Not true class or sprite bookmark high text. So in here we have instant variable. Alright, save it. Delete this, save it, and so this we will sign up for this bookmark as a start sheet. So scrolling down to the bottom, and you see this bookmark. Now let's declare for bookmark extend path position 353 pixel 273 pixel. Save it. Alright, let me double check. Alright, let's have a test. Refresh. Alright, now let's go to this post. Let's try to bookmark. Refresh. Yes. Destroy it. Refresh. Yeah, it worked. But I think we should change this to a few other pixel. Save it. But I see it's a little bit moving. And wait a minute. Create it. Yeah, it's not moving again. Alright, we're good now. Now let's create a partial file so that we could Ajax, we could manually load this. So cut this, cut, and in the view, new file. So this should be bookmark, icon, HTML, your view. Paste this. So instant variable, instant variable, instant variable, save it. So in here we'll use render bookmark icon is bookmark. This is instant, and we have post for post. Alright, we need each bookmark and post, and that is okay. We'll have a test. Make sure that it still work. Yeah, it's alright. So we're ready now. Let's create the return.js file. So create new folder. Bookmarks. So we have new file. Create JS ERB. Now let's write some JS, shall we? Bookmark icon host. Host ID 2s. HTML G render host bookmark icon. So you see that if you not write a partial file, so you can't know which part of the page you will render. Right? Is bookmark is bookmark. Post. Right? And console log with bookmark success. Save it. So another file, destroy JS ERB. So we have ID bookmark icon post ID 2s dot HTML G render host bookmark icon is bookmark. Oh, I should have copy. It's exactly the same, I think. Post. After that, we should console log. Right? Let's have a test. This should change. Uh-oh. Let's see. Let's see our network. Clear everything, and yeah, it's not changed at all. Let me see. Alright, let's see. I don't think we have any problem with this. And maybe maybe it ran wrong. Is that we don't know? It don't have this variable to check. So I think we should check our controllers. Oh, so we don't have. Oh, I get it. should have is bookmark. Copy it, paste it. Alright, you use this button to clear a block, and then you click, and this is create. Move it. Oh, I think we should only create for create. We only do for create. Yeah, alright. It should work now. Delete, create, delete, create, delete, create. And you can see in the console that we have some lock in here. Well, I could delete lock in here. Okay, it's just for test. I just write in here for test, right? So let's make our AJAX work for show for the index. So it's in host list. So we have bookmark here. Delete it. And div id mark icon host like this. We use normal variable to s class. We left auto. Inside we render bookmark icon is bookmark, post is bookmark current user, post. Save it. Right, so let's see. Okay, so it's really good. Alright, and bookmark this. Alright, it's good now. So that's it for this video. See you guys next time.